This is Bob Davis 321. At this point I want to show you we have a Raspberry Pi with the image chip, Raspberry Pi image sensor fastened to the back of the optics from a Panasonic DVC7 camera. The stepper motors of the camera then come over here to two stepper controllers and to an Arduino Uno that is controlling the camera. Now I'm going to back up and show you this in operation. I can zoom in, zoom out. When I zoom out, I go a bit out of focus. I can then refocus it. Oop, wrong direction. Oh, I'm the limit of my focus. So I can only zoom in and still focus it. That's something I got to work on yet. But as you can see, I can zoom in quite a bit. Go the right direction, focus things closer. Yep, wrong direction to focus. There's the focus. So basically I have the zoom and the focus under control of the Arduino for a DVC7 Panasonic camera. There it is, back in focus. I do have some issues I need to work on yet, like why I can't zoom out and focus still. It goes to the limit of the focus ability, and that's it. There you have the optics of a DVC7 camera tied into Arduino Uno and our Raspberry Pi.